The Virginia Cardinal Care App is a convenient tool that helps you manage your Medicaid benefits right from your phone. With the app, members can easily check their eligibility, view their benefits, find doctors, and much more, anytime, anywhere. It's designed to make managing your healthcare easier and more accessible. Want to know how it works? You can easily compare health insurance plans side by side, enroll in the health plan that works for yourself, and quickly find driving instructions to nearby providers, hospitals, specialists, and more. To choose or change a managed care organization, use our Compare Plans page to find which MCOs are available where you live and to see extra programs and services for each MCO. If you have a provider you want to keep, use our Find a Provider page to find out which MCOs your provider works with. Our Find a Provider page also lets you see where doctors, hospitals, and specialists are located on a map and which languages they speak. To choose an MCO and enroll, go to the Enroll page or call the Managed Care Helpline at 1-800-643-2273.